Hey Tom, check this out. I just wanted to show you my setup for my iPhone when I go out and do video. I've got this little monopod I just made out of PVC pipe. I put a magnet on the bottom so it really sticks to anything. If I wanted to set it on the roof of a car, I could slide my business card under it, set it right on top of the roof of the car. Then I added this big light, light on the front. I think I've shown you these before, so this light goes on and off. It's nice for doing the inside of the cars. Just screws right onto the front like so. And I've got my mic up here on the top, and it's actually right now facing back toward me. So when I go out and I do a video of something and I'm talking, I pick up a good quality sound because the mic points right in my mouth or right at my face. It's got a level built into it. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's really nice for taking pictures to make sure you have nice level pictures. And of course my iPhone is in there as well. One of the things I can do with this particular iPhone case is, and I don't have it right now, but I have actually a lens that goes on there, a wide angle lens, so I can drop that on there real quick. So, you know, altogether it's a nice compact multimedia piece. If I want to do a video, I want to get good sound, and I want to get good lighting, I can do that. And the whole thing's pretty lightweight. It probably weighs about a pound and a half. So it's really nice for that. Notice I did wrap it in black duct tape, so it doesn't show up in the videos or pictures, but it's also comfortable and easy to grip in your hand doing that. So just thought I'd show you this setup that I've been using lately. It's a nice one to shoot and scoot, and has lots of nice features for it. Thanks for watching.